These 7 diseases are just signs of aging, not illnesses. Overtreatment can harm your health. Every day, Mr. Wong from our community takes a walk in the park. Although his steps are not as brisk as they used to be, his face always carries a smile. He enjoys chatting with his neighbors about flowers, plants, and the amusing antics of his grandson. Recently, Mr. Wong noticed that his memory isn't as sharp as before. Sometimes, he forgets where he just put something down. Occasionally, his knees ache. Mr. Wong's children are very worried and have taken him to see many doctors. The number of medications at home keeps increasing. However, every time they visit the hospital, the doctors say these are normal signs of aging and do not require special treatment. Mr. Wong actually believes this as well. He thinks these are normal physiological changes in the elderly and do not need excessive treatment. He trusts that moderate exercise and a positive attitude are more beneficial to health. Nevertheless, Mr. Wong's children are still anxious, constantly urging him to take medication and undergo various tests. So, is Mr. Wong's thinking correct? Should we really reassess these so-called diseases in the elderly? 1. Memory decline. As we enter old age, we often find that many things are inexplicably forgotten. We might forget what we just said. This does not necessarily mean you have dementia, but rather a natural aging phenomenon of the brain. As the control center of our body, the brain's neuron count quietly decreases with age. We can slow down this process through exercise and training. Just like other parts of the body, the brain also needs activity and exercise to stay vibrant. Regular reading, writing, puzzle solving, and learning new skills can stimulate brain activity and enhance memory. Therefore, we don't need to panic about memory decline. 2. Prostate enlargement. Prostate enlargement is a common phenomenon in the male reproductive system. As men age, the prostate tissue gradually enlarges. This phenomenon is particularly common in elderly men and often does not cause significant discomfort or symptoms. In most cases, prostate enlargement does not severely compress the urethra, so it does not affect urinary function. The process of prostate enlargement is relatively slow, typically progressing much slower than diseases that can seriously impact health. Despite the enlargement, it does not lead to functional impairment and usually does not require special treatment. 3. Blurred vision. Blurred vision is a significant sign of natural eye aging. As we get older, our eyeballs gradually lose their original elasticity and adjustment ability. Like aging lenses, they can no longer focus accurately, leading to blurred vision. This is commonly referred to as presbyopia. Maintaining good lifestyle habits and regularly checking your eyes are key to maintaining vision health. It's important to note that eye diseases in the elderly are not solely caused by aging. For instance, cataracts are often related to aging but can also be triggered by other factors such as genetics, eye injuries, or certain diseases. 4. Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis, as the name implies, refers to bones becoming brittle and prone to fractures. This is mainly due to the gradual loss of calcium in the bones as we age, leading to decreased bone density. Often, people only realize they have osteoporosis when a fracture occurs. Through a reasonable diet and moderate exercise, osteoporosis can be prevented. 5. Nodules. Nodules refer to abnormal lumps or masses that appear within biological tissues. The formation of nodules can be caused by various reasons, including inflammation and infection. Not all nodules indicate serious diseases. Many nodules are harmless and may be caused by benign conditions. When a nodule is discovered, doctors usually conduct a series of tests and evaluations to determine its nature and source. These tests help doctors understand the size, shape, and location of the nodule and its relationship with surrounding tissues, allowing for an initial judgment of its nature. 6. Insomnia. When we were young, we could easily fall asleep and sleep soundly until morning. However, as we age, we begin to find ourselves tossing and turning in bed, unable to sleep. This may be because our biological clock is gradually out of sync with our daily routine, or because our bodies are starting to face more pressure and challenges. Regardless of the reason, when faced with insomnia, we need to accept this natural rule with a calm mindset and find effective ways to improve sleep quality, such as listening to sleep-inducing music. 7. Arterial plaques. Arterial plaques, also known as atherosclerosis, are a pathological process where the arterial walls gradually accumulate plaques. Arterial plaques are a natural aging process of the body's blood vessels, similar to wrinkles on the skin, gradually appearing with age. According to statistics, up to 40% of people over the age of 40 are affected by this condition, and by the age of 60, this proportion is close to 100%. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can prevent the formation of arterial plaques. Why can overtreatment harm the body? From a medical perspective, overtreatment can harm the body. Any medication or treatment method has side effects. Exceeding the necessary treatment range can trigger a series of adverse reactions. For example, overuse of antibiotics can lead to imbalanced gut flora, excessive radiation therapy can damage normal cells, and excessive surgery can lead to a decline in bodily functions. Psychological burden is also an important factor. Overtreatment can increase patients' anxiety and depression. How should we prevent it? As people get older, they always feel that various diseases are coming their way. This is because the bodily functions of the elderly are gradually declining. The key to disease prevention lies in adjusting lifestyles and developing good habits. Maintaining a regular biological clock, going to bed early and getting up early every day, and ensuring sufficient sleep time allows the body to get adequate rest and repair. Avoid staying up late and bad habits, as these can disrupt the body's natural rhythm, leading to decreased immunity and health issues. A reasonable diet is also key to preventing diseases. Elderly people should pay attention to balanced nutrition, consuming more foods rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, such as fish, meat, eggs, milk, legumes, fresh vegetables, and fruits. Reducing the intake of high-fat, high-calorie, high-salt, and high-sugar foods can lower the risk of chronic diseases like cardiovascular diseases and diabetes. Elderly people should also value physical exercise. Moderate exercise can enhance the body's resistance and delay the aging process. Elderly people can choose light exercises such as walking, tai chi, and yoga, or choose suitable exercise methods based on personal preferences and physical conditions. Elderly people should also maintain a positive mindset, actively face life, and an optimistic attitude helps relieve stress and enhance immunity. Participate in social activities, communicate with family and friends, and share life's little moments to enjoy the beauty of later years. In the face of these natural aging changes, we should maintain a calm mindset, arrange our lives reasonably, and focus on a healthy lifestyle. Don't be swayed by every rumor, trust in scientific knowledge. Appropriate exercise, a balanced diet, and a good mindset are the keys to maintaining good health. I hope middle-aged and elderly friends can enjoy a peaceful later life, stay healthy, and live a long life. Alright, that's all for today's sharing. Thank you for watching. I hope today's content resonates with you. For those who haven't subscribed, don't forget to click subscribe so we can accompany you every day. Let's grow together, be happy together, and slowly grow old together. See you next time.